This is Mark, the founder of Forge. He's about to show you how a 5-minute walk on a roof replaces an hour of manual measuring. This isn't just an app, it's the future of your job site. Using high-precision LiDAR, Forge captures every slope, valley, and penetration in real time. You're building a digital twin of the property as you walk. No tape measures, no ladders, and no drones required. Notice the detail. Forge isn't just taking a picture, it's capturing data-rich geometry. It accounts for every obstacle and edge, ensuring your material orders are precise down to the inch. Before Mark even leaves the roof, Forge has calculated the exact surface area and waste factors. Choose your materials, your brand, and your colors, and watch the estimate build itself instantly. But the scan is just the beginning. That data feeds directly into your entire operation. Manage your sales pipeline, track your labor, and keep every project on schedule from one intuitive dashboard. Professionalize your process, eliminate human error, and close deals on the spot. This is the power of Forge. Visit buildwithforge.app and start growing today.